Folks, I welcome you back to another episode of Christ Technical Drawing for SS1 to 3. And in this episode, I'll be teaching you how to draw a plane figure similar to another figure but twice its area. So the first thing to do is to have the original figure, let's say A, B, C. Now we want to draw a figure which is twice the area of this original figure A, B, C. The first thing to do is to draw a perpendicular BD to AB. So I'll draw a perpendicular at B to AB and I'll draw it below. So I'm drawing a perpendicular right now. So at B, when it gets to B, I'll stop and I'll roll my line. So this line is the line for the perpendicular. So now we have the perpendicular line. Then the next step is we'll draw this perpendicular, which should be the same length as AB. So I'm going to open my compass to AB and transfer the length to this perpendicular. So you can see it cuts it here at let's call this D. It cuts it at D. Now the next step is extend AC and AB. Now I'm going to extend AC and AB upwards and to the exterior of the triangle. Let's extend AC. Let's extend AB. So I haven't done that. The next step now is to, we centered A and radius AD, draw an arc to cut AB extended at F. So I'll open my center to A, put it at D. So this is the radius AD. Now with this radius AD, I'm going to cut AB extended. That means this extended line, I'll cut it at F. So this is F now. Now this is a new point F. Now the last stage is draw FG parallel to BC. So now you draw FG parallel to BC. Just put your set square at BC and draw a line parallel to it passing through F. So this line will pass through F. So when you get to F, I'll stop. Now it has gotten to F, so I'll draw a line, straight line. So now this will be the lines. This will be the sides of the new triangle. So this triangle AF, let's call it AFG. So if we were to call it AFG, then this third side will be G. So this AFG, this triangle AFG is twice the area of triangle ABC. So this is how to draw a triangle that is twice the area of another.